What's the meaning of crisply? Crisply. Crisply.
Crisply. Crisply. Crisply is an adverb used to describe something that is done in a precise, accurate, and efficient manner. It implies a sense of clarity, sharpness, and succinctness. When something is done crisply, it leaves a strong and lasting impression on the audience or recipient, as it is executed with great skill and finesse. Crisp execution often leads to a successful outcome, as it demonstrates competence and confidence in the person or team responsible. In summary, when something is done crisply, it is done with precision, efficiency, and expertise.